Okay, welcome to BA 131 CS 120 Business Computing Intro to Computers. Assignment 2 Part 2B Budgets. This is an extension of the last video. I didn't want that one to be too long for uploading to YouTube. So we're going to just pick up where we left off on that one, on the last video, creating the assignment. Okay, so when we're looking at what we saved or spent, we want to show that we want it to show a negative really boldly or bluntly. And so in order to do that, what I want to do is I want to format these cells right here to indicate currency as showing negative as if when it's red. So I'm going to highlight that cell and hit right click on that and go format cells with my left mouse button. And then I'm going to choose currency, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the one with the parentheses. And what that's going to do is that's going to say if the number isn't a negative, we're going to put parentheses around it and make it red. Then once I've done that, I'm going to copy all of that straight across. That formatting now is going to be all the way across. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and copy it all the way into the last area. I should have. We'll get that fixed right here. Okay, so we currently will have it formatted that if it's a negative, it'll be in red. So we got $15,390 saved at the end of the year. Well, let's say that in April we end up with less money. So in April we go here and we say, hey, instead of 3,000, we only made 500. Now we have a negative $2,000 that we have in savings. It also affects over here. Or what if in June we only made $2,000 instead of the 3? When that goes down, we still did okay for the savings there. We went up a little bit, or this number here changed also. And then again over here, now we have only $650 that we made. Again, we go down, and so does our annual savings. The next step would be really just to kind of fix up the Excel spreadsheet a little bit so it's a little more presentable. One of the things that I like to do is put things into colors. So I'm going to add another column over here by highlighting the A, right-clicking on it, and going Insert. And then from there, now I'm going to highlight every single thing in here so that I have a nice border. I'm going to create a border. And then I'm going to change the background to be like a darker color. Let's say like maybe in that area, maybe a little darker. And then from here, then I'm going to begin working my way into that so that I can have a little extra appeal to my project. I'm just adding some extra little colors in here. Go with this one here. I'm going to make the whole inside of this go that color there. And across here, just adding a little extra. I may even put a picture in here just for fun. This whole side over here, we'll add some shading into. Maybe that color. Alright, and this over here, I want to center that. Alright, we want that to be more centered. Okay, now if you notice how this is what the accounting looks like because the dollar signs are clear over there. If I want that all to be done in currency, we're going to highlight all of it, go to formatting, and go currency, and it should, there we go. No, it didn't do that. format. Oh yeah, it will be currency. Okay, hold on. And I should be able to still hit here. I want to have it be over. I guess I was wrong about that. It should. I wanted it to go over to the right, and I know there's a way to do it. It's not important for this video, so I'm not going to spend any more time on that. And then one last thing I want to do is maybe just add a little picture up in the corner here. So I'm going to merge all of those cells together, and then I'm going to say I want to insert an online picture. And then type in here budget. See what it has for me. I'm going to pick something really nice and simple just for the heck of it. Like that one right there looks good. How about that one? I like that one. Just going to go ahead and add a picture up there in the corner. I'm going to adjust my image to what I want. And there I have it. Now, the next part of this video, I'm going to go ahead and save this to where I have it, where I want it. And I'm going to highlight this really quick and change the color of just that one. I want it to be a little lighter, at least so that when I hand it in, it'll be easy for the grader to see it. Now, I'm going to save this, and now the rest of this I'm going to upload it to my Google Docs. So I've hit save. I'm going to go ahead and go out of that. And I'm then going to, oops, I had it open. I'm going to open up my Google Docs. What I want to do on that is I have, once I've opened up Google Docs, let me go back a little bit to the beginning of adding Google Docs, right? So if I first open up my Google search, I should be able to go up here to the apps area and open that up, and then go to Drive, and you'll come to this area here. You should have a My Drive, and it'll have all of your folders in it. I've already created this one, so I want you to what you would do is you would create a file. To do that, you're going to hit Create and a folder, and then you'd be in that folder. You'd be in this folder, and you say Create, and you create the BA131 CS120, and in that folder you'd hit Create, and you'd create Assignment 1 or Assignment 2. Now, I'm going to go ahead and into Assignment 2 here. I'm going to upload that current assignment. To do that, I'm going to use the upload arrow. I'm going to say I want to upload a file, and I'm going to choose the assignment I just have been working on, which is this one right here, right? I'm going to say upload. It's going to throw assignment up there for us. Looks like it's the same one. I've already been working on that one. As soon as it's completed, you will see it says uploaded. We can currently just hit share right there immediately, or in the instructions it says to click on here. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and just hit share on here, and it's going to pop open a share window. I'm going to say get sharing link. You want to make sure that it says can view. If it doesn't say can view, then I won't be able to see it. Right? So we can say can view at the very least. The URL right there, we're going to right click on it and hit copy, and we're done with that. Now I have a document up there, and I have my a copy of the document we created in Excel. The next thing I want to do is then go to my Blackboard class, and inside the Blackboard class, we're going to go ahead and click on the Budget, Excel, and Google Docs. Scroll down to, well, let's go all the way to the bottom here. Right here where it says Comments, I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And I'm going to hit Control V to put the URL of the Google Doc that I just saved up there and just shared it with anybody who has that link. Next, I want to browse my computer, and locate the document that I have on my Dropbox, which is in the fall, BA 131, assignment number 2, and the assignment that we did there. When this is going to look a little different because I've got 2 separate documents. I apologize for the video like that, but we need to upload this exact same document on that one. So then we would upload that assignment. So now we should have 2 assignments. They should both be named exactly the same. Like I said, I apologize for the mistake in that video right there. But like I said, those both should be named exactly the same. And then we'll hit submit. And then that assignment will be uploaded. Thanks so much. Okay, in this video, we learned the basics of assignment 2, budgeting details. We learned how to upload the assignment to Google Docs, and we learned how to submit the assignment. We also learned some other details within Excel. For example, using the accounting buttons, the currency buttons to show us quickly whether or not we're in the red or we're in the black. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing your assignments. Thank you so much.